open, so I don't want to spill it. So condensed glue gel first is no wet top coat and precision glue gels. We are going to using condensed glue gel first and then floating the top coat right on the top, so then it's not only it double secure and grab the base of your crystals, also it will definitely complete finish when you are going to key it, so you don't have to worry about a stacking layer, and then you have to go in between all the crystals and the flower to get your top coat in there. It's gonna be a mess, and it's probably gonna destroy this shiny and this beautiful of your crystal. So I'm go ahead and floating right on the top. So now if you want to get some veining for your fusioning for your marble look, you are definitely can. It looks even cuter if you want to. If you don't want anything, leave it alone. It's not going to hurt anything at all. And we'll go ahead and top coat, floating the top coat right on the top. And just don't drag it because you don't want to pull all of your condensed glue gels away. We are going to just floating it right on the top, so it's not only like cap completely condensed glue gels, but also will give it another layer of a double secure. So now, super cute. There's a lot of option. There's a lot of cuties right here, and I really want to add it on. And or we can using this cute flowers right here, and then a crystal. What you think? And have more crystal in here. There's a lot of option.
You can do one with the more whimsical, and one with the charm, and one with the stone.
One with whimsical. Let me see if I have this one. Super cute, like this one right there. But then it's gonna be in white. Like here, you can do it right here. You can do it right here. Where am I? Right there. Where?
You want to be right there.
Okay. So let me know. Okay. I'm gonna add some crystal on. I'm so obsessed with this. It's super cute, so adorable. I'm using a random of the crystal I got from my sub box little cute bags. Right here, like that. So you have to do it like that.
This one.
There you go. Because let's see. There you go. It's okay. Let me adjusting it. And then this one needs to go like that. There you go.
But then you stain the stick all the way to the bottom. That's why I move it.
Chew. Okay, like that better.
See how your hand is comfy? I will adjust the camera to your hand.
Okay, chew. Okay, here's my hand comfy like that. Pour like this a lot. You can continue doing it. Sorry, I'm just fascinated because this is the set. That's it. If you want more, you can add more on it. You see they have some beads in here. Getting some beads around. You can do some beads if you want to. If you don't want any beads on, absolutely you can skip this step and let it flash cure. I'm gonna flash gears really quick and I'm gonna show you. I did it kind of diagnose a little bit. If you want to do right in the center of the right inner cuticle, you can definitely do it as well. You can do it on the left side or the right side. It just depends on how you like it and then just for your preference. All right, I'm gonna flash gear really quick, 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna show you how you can able to get some of the beads right on the top of the flowers. And then on the middle fingers, I'm gonna using the Luxury Crystals centerpiece, which is super adorable. And we're gonna get some different sizes of beads from these flowers right here. So I'm gonna using the Precision Glue Gel, which is remember that I show you first of all being a Precision Glue Gels. We're gonna use it for the last step, but in this beautiful designs, I'm gonna using it really quick. I'm gonna squeeze just a little bit of the Precision Glue Gels out from this bottle. I'm gonna pick up some beads. So I'm gonna getting my twin tip brush. You can be using the crystal picker as well, but some of the beads is like tiny, so it's nice to have the twin tip brush. And then we are going to pick up some beads, smaller beads for this beauty, and then put it in there. The twin tip brush can pick like smaller beads for you, but if you need to pick like a big beads, we're definitely gonna need help from the crystal picker because it get a stronger grip. I'm gonna get the big beads right here. You can do any color. You can do the gold. Right there. And now we're gonna do a really quick flash here, 30 seconds.